Volkswagen, das Auto.
Okay, so I have received my car back, and what we have here is this panel is replaced, this door panel is replaced, brand new mirror, all the things around the mirror as well here, and a brand new window here. So yeah, finally I have collected my car after the incident with this idiotic taxi driver. And funny enough, I don't know what the bill is exactly for the insurance company, but since the incident, since Monday, the insurance company of this driver, taxi driver, is now saying that they are not liable for it, even though they have sent me an SMS message and called me claiming that they are indeed liable and they are willing to pay for the repair and for the replacement car for me. Well, nevertheless, I have managed to get myself a repair and everything through my company, and they were superb in delivering this. But it seems the other company doesn't want to pay for this service. And I would imagine that getting this brand new, and this brand new, well, and the window, let's not forget about that, it's pretty damn expensive, not to mention the fact that it had to be installed, that the car had to stay there for a week or so at the premises of this repair place. And on top of everything, of course, the car was washed and cleaned up inside and outside superbly by the company. So massive respect to them. And yeah, so that is the update.
Volkswagen, das Auto.